What happens when you take Tesla's most polarizing vehicle and hand it to the world's most extreme luxury tuner? You don't just get a modified truck, you get a rolling statement. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your name, and today we're looking at a build that's already breaking the internet before it even touches public roads. MANSORY, the German aftermarket powerhouse known for turning supercars into six-figure art pieces, has finally taken on the Cybertruck. But they didn't just slap on a wide-body kit and call it a day. They reimagined it, extended it, elevated it. This is the 2027 MANSORY Tesla Cybertruck Elongation EVO, and yes, it's as radical as it sounds. Let's break it down. Exterior and design. First, the silhouette. The elongation name isn't just marketing. MANSORY has stretched the wheelbase by 18 inches, giving the truck a stretched, presidential presence while preserving that brutalist angular DNA. The stock, stainless steel exoskeleton, completely replaced. What you're looking at is a full carbon fiber monocoque skin. Every panel is hand-laid, autoclave cured, and finished in a proprietary matte ceramic coating that shifts from gunmetal to obsidian, depending on the sun. Up front, a redesigned bumper integrates slim LED light bars, active aero flaps that deploy at highway speeds, and a carbon splitter that actually generates measurable downforce. The side profile features widened fenders, 60mm per side housing, 24-inch. MANSORY forged monoblock wheels wrapped in bespoke all-terrain luxury tires. Yes, comfort and capability finally sharing the same axle. Around back, the tailgate gets a soft close hydraulic system, integrated cargo lighting, and a functional carbon fiber tonneau cover. And those faux exhaust tips? Pure theater. This is 100% electric, but MANSORY fitted hidden acoustic emitters that project a low-frequency hum at low speeds. Pitch, tone, and volume, all customizable through the center screen. Controversial? Maybe. Unmistakably MANSORY. Absolutely. Interior and luxury. Step inside and the brutalism melts away. MANSORY didn't just upgrade materials, they rebuilt the cabin from the floor up. Hard plastics are gone, replaced with hand-stitched Alcantara, full-grain Napa leather in a two-tone obsidian and sand scheme, and real brushed titanium accents across the dash, door pulls, and center console. The steering wheel is a flat-bottomed, carbon-rimmed piece with illuminated branding and haptic feedback paddles. Seats are fully electric, heated, ventilated, massaging, and wrapped in a proprietary diamond quilted pattern. Even the floor mats are custom woven, with integrated LED ambient lighting that syncs to your audio. Tech-wise, Tesla's 18.5-inch screen remains, but MANSORY added a 12-inch rear passenger display, upgraded speakers with a 1200-watt 3D surround system tuned by a former motorsport audio engineer, and a discrete heads-up display projected onto the glass. The cabin also features a built-in fragrance diffusion system, UV purifying air filtration, and a refrigerated center console compartment. Because when you're spending this much, champagne at 14 degrees Celsius isn't a luxury, it's standard, performance, and powertrain. Now, let's talk power. The stock Cybertruck is quick. The Elongation EVO is violent. MANSORY partnered with a German high-voltage engineering firm to recalibrate the TRI motor setup, pushing peak output to 1,350 horsepower and 1,450 pound-feet of torque. That translates to a 0-60 time of 2.1 seconds, assuming you can find traction. But power means nothing without control. The suspension is a fully adaptive air ride system with continuous damping. It drops 2 inches at speed for stability, raises 3 inches for clearance, and features a bespoke steering calibration for sharper response. Brakes? 6-piston MANSORY carbon ceramic discs with 420mm rotors. Regenerative braking has been completely rewritten for smoother, more predictable deceleration. Range? The stock pack has been upgraded to a 140 kWh unit using next-gen 4680 cells with silicon-dominant anodes. MANSORY claims an EPA estimated 380 miles. Impressive given the added weight and aero changes. It still runs an 800-volt architecture, pulling up to 250 kilowatts on DC fast charging, 80% in under 20 minutes. And yes, it's still rated to tow 11,000 pounds. Though MANSORY suspects you'll be towing a day yacht, not a utility trailer. Price, availability, and verdict. So, what's the damage? The 2027 MANSORY Tesla Cybertruck Elongation EVO starts at $349,000. Fully. Bespoke builds easily cross $425,000 only. 75 units will be produced worldwide. Each takes 14 weeks to hand build at MANSORY's facility in Germany. Deliveries begin Q3 2027, and the waitlist is already past 300 names. Is it excessive? Absolutely. Is it necessary? Not even close. But that's the entire point. MANSORY didn't build this to be practical. They built it to be unforgettable. It's a rolling sculpture that challenges everything we thought we knew about EV luxury, truck utility, and aftermarket extremism. If you have the means and the mindset, the Elongation EVO isn't just a vehicle. It's a legacy piece. What do you think? Would you daily this or keep it climate controlled? Drop your take in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button. Subscribe for more hypertuner and supercar content. And hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Next week, we're getting behind the wheel of the Brabus tuned Mercedes EQ's SUV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.